Hey everyone, in this section I will talk about elasticity. The first concept is price elasticity of demand. This measures the percentage change in quantity demanded over the percentage change in price. So the percentage change in price is the cause, percentage change in quantity demanded is the effect. Here we are looking at the buyers because buyers are on the demand curve. Now, if you look at price elasticity of supply, this is the percentage change in quantity supplied divided by the percentage change in price. So, percentage change in price is the cause, percentage change in quantity supplied is the effect. We are looking at this from the seller's point of view. Now, I'm going to show you how to calculate elastic demand and inelastic demand, and using some examples, some calculations, explain to you the concept better. There are two ways to compute the price elasticity of demand. One is the percentage change in quantity demanded over the percentage change in price, and the other one is the midpoint formula, which is change in quantity over average of quantities. This whole thing is divided by change in price over average of prices. Now let's go and take a look at an elastic demand curve. Something to comment here about the shape of the demand curve is elastic demand curve is relatively flat. Now we have two combinations. One is point A, price at point A is $2, quantity at point A is 10 units. Then this is going to be the initial point, or I'll just say this is the old point. I have a new point which is point B. At point B, the price is $1 and quantity is 40. This is the new point. The price is going down from $2 to $1, and the quantity demanded is going up from $10 to 10 units to 40 units. So this is the law of demand in full display. When price is down, quantity demanded is gonna be up. Now, using the midpoint formula here, the percentage change in price is gonna be new price minus old price over the average of prices. I get this result as 0.67. Now over here, if you look at the percentage change in quantity, this is gonna be the new quantity which we get at point B. From that we subtract the old quantity which is at point A, that is 10 units, over the average of two quantities. I get this value as 1.2. Now, to compute the price elasticity of demand, ED is going to be 1.2 over negative 0.67. I get my result as close to 1.79, or I can say this is close to 1.8. Just something to remember here is we are going to ignore the negative sign for price elasticity of demand. What is really important here is the magnitude of this value, whether it is greater than 1, less than 1, or equal to 1. Because 1.79, ignoring the negative sign, is greater than 1, we have an elastic demand curve. Another way to interpret an elastic demand curve is the percentage change in quantity demanded is greater than percentage change in price. So if price goes down by a little bit, the change or percentage change in quantity is gonna be way greater than percentage change in price. Okay. So this is about the elastic demand. Now let's go and take a look at inelastic demand. We have two sets of points, C and D. C is the old point and D is the new point. I'm going to use what I used before, which is the midpoint formula of calculating price elasticity of demand, and I end up with the percentage change in price to be negative 1.2. The percentage change in quantity is 0.67. Now, to find out the elasticity of demand, I will divide the percentage change in quantity over the percentage change in price. In my calculation, it is negative 0.55. Please always check the calculations. I'm again going to ignore this negative sign here and take a look at the magnitude of this value. I have 0.55, which is definitely less than 1, and if this number is less than 1, this means the demand is inelastic. One characteristic of inelastic demand curve is the demand curve is relatively steep and the percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in price. So quantity demanded is not very much responsive to change in price. Now I'm going to look at unit elastic demand, the next kind of price elasticity. Over here, the percentage change in price is negative 1. Percentage change in quantity is 1. You can just take a look at this old combination and the new combination and do the calculation yourself. And the elasticity of demand is going to be equal to negative 1. Again, I'm going to ignore this negative sign here, and the number I'm getting here is equal to 1, and this is an example of unit elastic demand. For unit elasticity, the percentage change in quantity demanded is exactly equal to the percentage change in price. Again, just try to focus on this issue. The percentage change in price is gonna be the cause. So change in price is the cause and change in quantity demanded is the effect. Okay, thank you very much. Hope I'm making this thing clear for all of you.